How to transfer YouTube from one Gmail to another. Now you cannot transfer YouTube like the main account since YouTube account is linked with your email, but what you can do is you can transfer your YouTube like you can give it to another Gmail from where they can upload videos, check the amount of money it's making and stuff like that. For that you can click on the profile picture at the top right of your screen and click on YouTube Studio over here. Inside of YouTube Studio, click on the settings option at the bottom left corner. And then click on the option over here where it says permissions. Inside here, you want to click on the invite button, and over here, choose the email in which you want to send the permission to. Once you enter the email, just select manager from over here, make sure it's manager, and click on done. Once you click on done, an invite will be sent to the mail. Once they open their mail and accept the invite, they will become the manager of the channel where they can upload videos and basically delete videos, see how much a video made and everything. That's how you guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.